Today's video covers 20 must-have electric trikes designed for different types of riders, including commuters, seniors, shoppers, recreational riders, and anyone who wants more balance and confidence than a traditional e-bike can offer. This list looks at motor power, battery range, comfort, cargo capacity, safety features, and real-world usability, so it is easier to see which electric trike fits different needs and riding styles. Let's get into it. First on the list is the Motor Orizitan Electric Trike, a semi-recumbent model built for riders who care most about comfort and long-range cruising. It uses a 750W rear-mounted motor with speeds up to 22 miles per hour, paired with a 48V20Ah removable battery rated for up to 85 miles. One of its biggest highlights is the third-generation mid-axis torque sensor, which makes pedal assist feel smoother and more natural than basic speed sensor systems. The rear differential also improves turning by allowing each rear wheel to rotate independently. Add in a parking brake, adjustable seat, front suspension, and UL certified electrical system, and this is a strong option for relaxed everyday riding and longer recreational trips. Next up is the Crowsight Electric Tricycle, a folding fat tire e-trike designed to mix comfort, technology, and all-terrain ability in one package. It features a 750W brushless motor, a 48V20Ah removable battery, and a claimed top speed of 22 miles per hour, with up to 75 kilometers in pure electric mode. The 20x4-inch puncture-resistant tires help it handle sand, snow, gravel, and mixed road conditions, while the shock-absorbing frame and softer wide seat improve comfort on rougher surfaces. Smart extras like a USB port, phone holder, built-in speaker, color LCD display, bright headlight, and upgraded rear lighting give it a more connected, modern feel. This one suits riders who want versatility and convenience. Another impressive trike is the Motor Grandtan Electric Trike, a comfort-focused adult e-trike built for stability, long range, and confident handling. It combines a 750W rear drive motor that peaks at 1,400W with 90 Nm of torque, giving it enough strength for hills, cargo, and smooth acceleration up to 22 miles per hour. The 48V20Ah UL certified battery offers an estimated range of up to 85 miles, making it a strong option for longer rides or repeated errands without constant recharging. The mid-axis torque sensor improves pedal assist response, while the speed differential, front suspension, plush backrest saddle, and parking brake add more comfort and control. This is a great fit for adults who want a refined, safety-conscious electric trike. Moving on, the Meetone Breeze folding electric trike is designed for riders who want comfort, utility, and accessibility in a more senior-friendly layout. It runs on a 1000W motor with 80 Nm of torque, supports speeds up to 20 miles per hour, and uses a 48V15Ah removable battery with a range of up to 80 miles. Its standout feature is the semi-recumbent riding posture, supported by a wide adjustable seat and backrest that help reduce pressure on the back and tailbone. It also includes a rear differential, reverse gear, cruise control, hill parking, anti-backflip support wheels, hydraulic front suspension, and dual baskets. With a 450-pound load rating, this one is especially appealing for daily errands, relaxed touring, and mobility-focused riders. Next on the list is the Viribus Electric Tricycle, a simpler and more beginner-friendly option designed around comfort, easy operation, and everyday practicality. It uses a 250W brushless front hub motor with 500W peak output, delivering a top speed of around 15.5 miles per hour. The 36V13Ah removable battery provides up to 31 miles of full throttle range, which is enough for neighborhood rides, short commutes, and regular shopping trips. Riders can switch between full electric, pedal assist, and manual modes, while the LCD display shows speed, battery level, and ride data. A spring suspension saddle, step-through frame, and large rear basket rated for 110 pounds make it especially useful for seniors, casual riders, and anyone who values low-stress, utility-focused transportation. Another strong contender is the Narrak Electric Trike with a 750W motor peaking at 1,350W, a model built for riders who want more power, stronger braking, and better all-around control. It uses a 48V13AUL certified battery with a range of up to 50 miles in pedal assist mode, along with multiple ride modes including pedal assist, walk mode, and full electric operation. The rear hub motor and differential system improve maneuverability and turning stability, which is especially helpful on a 3-wheel platform. This trike also stands out with hydraulic brakes, 20x4-inch fat tires, 3-disc rotors, foldable step-through frame, hydraulic parking brake, and large front and rear baskets. It is a solid choice for riders who want a more capable daily use fat tire e-trike. Next up is another version of the Motor Grandtan electric trike, and it earns attention because it delivers a very balanced mix of power, range, comfort, and certified safety. This version features the same 750W rear drive motor with 1,400W peak output, 90 Nm torque, and top speed of 22 miles per hour, backed by a 48V20A battery capable of up to 85 miles of range. What really makes it appealing is the combination of UL 2849 certification, torque sensor, pedal assist, front suspension, rear differential, parking brake, and strong lighting package with 5-in-1 taillight and horn. For riders comparing premium adult electric trikes, this one checks many important boxes without leaning too far toward either cargo only or off-road only use. Moving on, the Clif Triker electric bike is a folding step-through electric trike aimed at practical riders who need compact storage and flexible day-to-day use. It uses a 750W peak brushless motor that reaches up to 16 miles per hour, paired with a 468Wh removable battery that offers up to 50 miles of range. The trike supports manual, pedal assist, and full electric modes, giving it enough flexibility for light exercise, neighborhood cruising, or short urban trips. Its rear differential and disc brakes improve safety and cornering stability, while the 20-inch tires and step-through frame help keep the ride approachable for a wide range of riders. With a foldable frame and built-in cargo rack, it works well for apartments, errands, and compact everyday transportation. One of the more accessible city-style options here is the Narak Electric Tricycle with a 350W motor peaking at 700W, built for comfort, stability, and practical short-distance riding. It comes with a 36V13A removable battery rated for around 30+ miles per charge, or up to 40 miles in pedal assist mode, making it a realistic option for daily errands and neighborhood travel. The extended front frame, wide cruiser handlebars, dual baskets, and ergonomic layout create a more relaxed riding posture, while the 18x3-inch fat tires, differential system, and seat suspension help improve balance and comfort. Since it is lighter than many larger trikes and suits riders from 4 feet 8 inches to 5 feet 8 inches, it works especially well for smaller riders and city commuters. Next up is the TopMate ES31, which takes a very different approach from the larger cargo-style electric trikes on this list. This is a mini electric scooter tricycle designed more for personal mobility assistance and short travel rather than longer bike-style rides. It offers 3 speed modes, topping out at around 13.7 miles per hour, and uses a lightweight frame made mostly from aviation aluminum alloy. At just 30.9 pounds, it is much easier to move and store than full-size electric trikes, but it still supports up to 220.5 pounds. The rear axle suspension and seat shock absorber help smooth out short trips, while the compact design makes it especially useful for travel, quick local movement, and riders who want something smaller than a traditional e-trike. Breaking into the Emojo Bull electric tricycle, a model that stands out with its extremely low 8.5-inch step-through height and strong focus on accessible riding. It features a 500W high-speed brushless motor, a 7-speed drivetrain, and a range of about 65 miles on one battery, with the option to extend that up to 100 miles by adding a second battery. The built-in differential system improves cornering and ride stability, which is important for for riders carrying cargo or navigating urban streets. A 300-pound capacity rear basket, large 3.5-inch LCD display, and free accessory pack with mirror, phone holder, and chain lock add extra value. This trike is especially appealing for seniors, mobility-focused riders, and anyone prioritizing easy mounting. Another must-have model is the 3SCORE Electric Fat Trike, a foldable electric tricycle built around stronger utility, fat tire stability, and helpful included safety features. It uses a 750W geared hub motor with a 48V battery, reaching speeds above 20 miles per hour and delivering around 25 to 35 miles in motor-only mode or 55+ miles with low-level pedal assist. The 24-inch fat tires help with grip and ride confidence, while the parking brakes, turn signals, horn, mirrors, and front and rear baskets make it feel more like a practical everyday utility vehicle than a basic e-bike. The backrest seat also adds comfort for longer rides. This one is a good match for riders who want hauling ability, visibility, and cargo support. Moving on, the Dumiji Electric Trike combines stronger hill climbing performance with comfort and safety features that make it appealing for commuting and longer local trips. It uses a 750W motor capable of up to 25 miles per hour with 80 Nm of torque and the ability to tackle slopes of up to 15 degrees. The 48V13 battery supports up to 30 miles in pure electric mode and 50 miles with pedal assist. A standout feature here is the comfort setup, which includes hydraulic front suspension, seat post suspension, multiple shock absorbers, and a foldable step-through aluminum frame. Add in 180mm front and rear brakes, 2 parking brakes, rear differential, turn signals, and lighting, and this becomes a well-equipped option for adults who want better road confidence. Next on the list is the Luxevelo Electric Tricycle, a commuter-friendly trike that aims to balance performance, safety certifications, and day-to-day comfort. It runs on a 500W brushless motor with speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Supported by a 48V13 removable battery that delivers up to 35 miles in full electric mode, or as much as 70 miles with pedal assist. Its 7-speed drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, and multi-shock suspension system help it stay practical across city streets and rougher paths alike. The aluminum frame keeps weight manageable while still feeling durable, and both the seat and handlebars are adjustable for better fit. With its commuter layout and clean all-around feature set, this trike suits riders who want everyday versatility without going overly bulky. One of the most utility-focused models here is the PUCKIPUPPY Electric Tricycle, a pickup-style e-trike designed for heavier loads, larger riders, and more demanding road conditions. It features a high-speed rear hub motor with up to 960W peak output, reaching 20 miles per hour in pedal assist and 15 miles per hour in throttle mode. The 48V17.4Ah hidden removable battery is rated for around 45 to 60 miles, while the rear differential, hydraulic brakes, front suspension, spring seat post, and 20-inch fat tires all help improve control and ride comfort. With a 500-pound maximum load capacity, semi-recumbent backrest seat, bright lights, and a generous rear basket, this one is ideal for hauling groceries, carrying gear, and utility riding. Getting closer to the top, the DoCred Electric Tricycle stands out as a foldable, portable, and fairly high-capacity option for riders who want electric assistance and cargo flexibility in one package. It uses a 750W peak motor and a 48V14.5Ah removable battery, with a claimed pure electric range of around 30 to 45 miles. It also includes 4 riding modes: throttle, pedal assist, bike mode, and walk assist, giving riders more flexibility depending on terrain or energy level. The rear speed differential helps with grip and smoother turning, while the aluminum frame supports up to 400 pounds. Front and rear baskets add useful carrying capacity, making this trike especially appealing for shopping, compact commuting, and people who need foldable storage. Another serious standout is the Meon Tour Light Electric Tricycle, a premium long-range machine built for comfort, technology, and heavier-duty performance. It combines a powerful 1,200W rear motor with a 48V 20ILG battery, offering an impressive range of up to 110 miles and speeds up to 22 miles per hour. This model is loaded with premium features, including full suspension, torque sensor pedal assist, reverse mode, hydraulic brakes, hazard lights, turn signals, cruise control, hill parking, and a rear speed differential. The semi-recumbent riding posture, oversized adjustable backrest seat, and 550-pound max load rating make it especially attractive for touring and extended rides. For riders wanting a high-end electric trike with automotive-style convenience features, this is a major contender. Is the MOPHOTO Electric Tricycle, a practical and approachable option for riders who want a useful blend of comfort, cargo space, and simple controls at moderate speeds. It uses a 350W motor with 700W peak output, reaches up to 15.5 miles per hour, and pairs that with a 36V 10.4R removable battery for around 30 to 45 miles per charge. Riders can choose between manual, pedal assist, and full electric modes, all managed through a clear LCD interface. The rear basket, utility layout, and padded saddle make it easy to use for shopping and neighborhood transportation. This trike makes a lot of sense for adults and seniors who want a stable, comfortable electric ride without jumping into oversized, high-powered models. The Mooncool Electric Trike, a model that does an excellent job blending beginner-friendly stability with useful real-world features. It uses a 500W motor with 1000W peak power, speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour, and a 48V 15 removable battery that offers roughly 35 to 70 miles of range depending on conditions. The rear differential, hydraulic disc brakes, parking brake, front suspension, and 20 by 3-inch fat tires all work together to improve cornering safety and ride confidence. A 450-pound frame capacity, step-through design, adjustable padded seat, and front and rear baskets make it versatile for errands, short commutes, and daily neighborhood rides. It is a very balanced trike for a wide range of adults. The Yora M2 Electric Trike, because this model pushes farther into high-power, high-torque, cargo-capable performance than almost anything else on the list. It uses a massive 2000W brushless motor producing up to 207 Nm of torque, allowing speeds of around 26 miles per hour. That power is backed by a 60V lithium battery with up to 60 miles of range and fast charging in about 4 hours. It also brings a strong safety and utility package with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, full lighting, alarm mode, dual LCD displays, front and rear suspension, 12-inch tubeless tires, and a rear cargo shelf or storage box setup. For riders who want serious performance and hauling ability, this one is the powerhouse pick.